Hi, welcome to Midwest Living Management. Today I'm going to take you for a walkthrough in one of our office suites at Vantage Centre. This specific suite comes with 5 rooms, a kitchen, and a bathroom that you will see throughout this video. I should also note that the cool brown vinyl floors that you see here will be found all throughout the suite. As you can see, upon entering the suite, you will step into a big spacious room, which would presumably be a common space for you and your coworkers. A little further forward and to the right, you will find a small storage space where you can keep miscellaneous items. There's also an extra closet door that you will find, which will help with organizing the items that you choose to keep inside. When we exit that closet and walk straight forward towards the hall, you'll see it will take us to the first office space here. This room is nicely spaced out and has a window that will allow you to see into the hall where we entered the suite from. After leaving this office space, you'll see across the common area room the entrance to the kitchen. Here, you'll find a sink and plenty of cabinet space for you and your coworkers to keep whatever kitchen items you deem necessary. This is a neutral brown quartz countertop. The door you'll find inside of the kitchen will lead to the bathroom. I had some trouble filming this room without getting myself in the shot, so please excuse my attire. I did not know I was going to be on camera today. Anyway, here you can see that there is a marble gray countertop, complemented with a pretty ashy brown wooded cabinet. When we exit the bathroom and kitchen, directly across the door you'll see a window that sees inside of the next room we're going to visit. Office room number 2. Again, this room is nicely spaced out, big enough that you could host an average size office meeting here. Across the hall from this room, you'll find another door. This door leads to office room number 3. This is probably my favorite room in this suite because of the views that we get from it. All the way to the end of the room, you can get a view of one of the building's parking lots. And a little further on the right wall, you'll have access to a unique view of the building's entrance from the floor below us. When you turn opposite of the window that gives you the street view, you'll also see that there are 2 closets where you could keep coats and jackets if need be. Forward down the hall from this door, there is another door that leads into another office space. I'm sure you can tell that this space is much smaller than the others. This room was most likely be for a singular person. Finally, across the hall from that door is the entrance to the final office space. This office also has a window with a street view. The size of this room is smaller than the office space with the building entrance view, but is still bigger than office number 2. So again, very well spaced out for team meetings. That concludes the tour for Midwest Living Management's Vantage Centre office suite. Vantage Centre is located in Greenwood, Indiana. If you're interested in this suite or other suites available at Vantage Centre, you can find the website linked to this video.